Hello, my friends. We are going to do a little chairlift chat. This week, I am hoping to hit 100 subscribers, which is crazy. When I got this idea to start a skiing YouTube just to document my journey, just for and giggles, just to see. And of course, I asked my boyfriend coach first because I said there's always the possibility that people could discover me, but
sometimes it's hard to focus, just to persevere and just to make it. But everything that's within your grasp, you gotta take it, you gotta go hard and just dig deeper inside you to find that method, that mode that wants that hunger to survive, just to ride the grind, to take it the way you gotta take it and never stop.
I'm just documenting my joy of skiing. This is my church. This is my sanctuary. And there's so many things to talk about on this chairlift chat. It's the Monday after February break. I stayed home all weekend to do taxes. The tax man cometh. And actually I do have to work. I've been spending a lot more time skiing than working. As I said, I have a semi-ski bum life. But growing up, I skied. I had some wonderful time skiing, but I never had a home mountain that you became part of a community. And I gotta tell you, especially I feel in this day and age where people are really looking for connection and to share something that makes everyone feel good, it has been wonderful. I tell everyone, do what you love, get out and meet other people that like doing what you do, and you start to build a community. I have had a locker here for a couple of years. I love my locker buds. We look forward to seeing each other and hearing about what trips people are doing and what they're working on and what trails were good. And same thing with being out our first chair. I love it that the only thing that we're complaining about are the grooming, the snowmaking, that a certain lift is broken, that there's something going on a run. I'm like, if we're gonna complain, let it be about this luxury life that we are living, because people want to gossip, but it has been absolutely wonderful. The gondola chat. I have hit over 100 subscribers. I am super excited. I'm really thankful that you decided to join me, rediscovering my passion and love for skiing, and that one day I can look back and see my progress, because I do see myself improving and others are seeing me improve, but also to connect with people who are like me. So do me a favor, whether you're a follower or not, and if you want to subscribe, I would love that. Tell me where you're from, what your age is, and I love it that people are leaving long comments and telling me their ski stories, and because you get it, you know what I'm feeling and what I'm experiencing. So I love hearing your stories and your atta-girls when I think I look like crap or having frustrations and struggles. So thanks for being on this journey with me. Here is to the next 100 people who decide to come on this journey. So thank you.
That's how I give it up.